if you're trying to decide between the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the Redmi K90 Pro Max, here's my honest take after comparing both. On paper, the Xiaomi 17T Pro feels like the more balanced flagship, offering a cleaner software experience and slightly better optimization. Meanwhile, the Redmi K90 Pro Max goes harder on raw power, pushing higher performance numbers and a more aggressive gaming focus. The display on both is sharp, but Redmi tends to feel brighter, while Xiaomi prioritizes color accuracy and consistency. In battery life, they're close, though Xiaomi manages slightly better efficiency during everyday use. If you're a gamer, the Redmi K90 Pro Max is the clear winner, but for all-round users, Xiaomi feels more refined. Pricing also plays a big role, with Redmi usually undercutting Xiaomi while offering more raw specs for the money. So, which one wins? It really depends on whether you value performance or balanced everyday usability. For me, I'd pick Xiaomi for daily use, but Redmi is tempting if gaming performance is your top priority overall though, actually.